Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a thou symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a thou symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show in this video. So first we are just quick clicking on the insert option. There is no insert symbol option present here. So instead of that, you can use your keyboard shortcut. So for the thou symbol, you have to press Alt key with number 231. Okay. So first you just want to press the Alt key on your keyboard. Now type 231 on the number and just leave the Alt key. Automatically the thou symbol will be created. The same process should be repeated. So you can just easily create the thou symbol like this. You can see how it's created. So you just want to just click Alt key, press the Alt key and type 231. So the thou symbol has been created. This is how you just create a thou symbol on your Microsoft Excel web with a keyboard shortcut. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.